Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at a really cool bag from Chrome. This is the Urban EX Roll Top 26 liter backpack. Lifetime guarantee, capacity between 26 and 28 liters, has welded seams, 100% waterproof, and a padded laptop sleeve for a 15-inch laptop. Here's some specifications and some details on the inside. You can pause the video anytime to take a look or even rewind if you missed something. We'll start on the back here. So this is a roll top backpack. As you know, the tops roll and then they attach and close. This has a nice magnetic closure top piece right here. So there's two magnets, they come together. That's for the top. And now for the back part, you have your over shoulder pieces here, and they're padded on each side. There's also metal catches here, and then of course right here you have the front piece that goes across and attaches, and it's fully adjustable here, here, and here as well. So you have 3 points of adjustment on the back. And on the front, this is a roll top backpack with welded seams, so there's no way for water to get in anywhere on the front of the backpack. And now we'll go on the inside. So we'll go through the magnetic holder here, and then basically it's a really large open space all the way down to the bottom. The bottom of the bag is not padded. However, the laptop sleeve on the back is padded. On the front, there's padding, and on the back. And on the inside, you have several pockets. There's at least 2 or 3, and then the laptop sleeve in the back part of the backpack. And then, like I said before, it has a magnetic closure on top, like that, and then you roll it over to protect it from the elements. With welded seams and waterproof, along with the lifetime warranty, we like this backpack a lot from Chrome, and this is the Urban EX Roll Top 26 liter backpack. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.